Hi there. I am experimenting and playing with this little arrangement. What do we have here? We have a rose quartz crystal in the middle. We have another crystal, the heart-shaped thing, green. Here we have a few copper wires. And those little black things are magnets. I got it from the bracelet I used to wear. So anyway, I have a pendant here somewhere. Wait, I'm getting there. God, it doesn't show. Okay. Yes, this is the pendant. This is also a quartz crystal, and it's hanging on a thread. So let's hold it about half an inch above the arrangement and see what is happening.